In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on TradingView. This is really useful if English isn't your first language, or if you simply feel more comfortable navigating charts and tools in another language. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you're on any main TradingView page, such as the chart view or the home page. The option to change the language is tied to your profile, so you do need to be signed in for the change to apply consistently across your account. Now, look toward the top right corner of your TradingView window. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your settings, this might appear as your profile picture, your initials inside a small circle, or a generic user icon. It's usually next to other icons like notifications or settings. Move your mouse to that top right area and click on the profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with several account-related options. In this drop-down, you'll see items related to your profile, settings, and other personal preferences. What you're looking for here is the option labeled language. It might appear in English or in whatever language your account is currently set to, but it will be in this profile menu. Go ahead and click on language. As soon as you do that, TradingView will display a list of available languages. This list usually includes many major languages from around the world. Take a moment to scroll through and find the one you want to use. When you've found your preferred language, simply click on it once. After selecting your new language, the TradingView interface will update. In some cases, it may refresh automatically. In others, it might take a brief moment for all the menu labels and options to switch over. Once it's done, you'll notice that the navigation menus, settings labels, and various on-screen texts are now displayed in the language you chose. If you ever want to change the language again, just repeat the same process. Click the profile icon at the top right, select the language option, and choose a different one.